Hi friends, I am Ajikumar, the English trainer from English Academy, Patanapuram. Imagination, സങ്കല്പിക്കാനുള്ള കഴിവ്, ഭാവനാശേഷി. This is more important than knowledge in the case of a language learning. When you are a Keralite, you are speaking Malayalam. And 50% of the Malayalam words and ideas you expressed is nearly nothing but thallu. That is imagination. Elon Musk conquered the world because of his imagination. See, the scientists who imagine and think of the reality. First, they mold an imagination in their heads, in their mind, and there comes the reality. So, to a language student, especially in English language, when you are a Keralite, imagination that is most important. The real world is different, and the real world is sometimes an obstacle to English learning. When you are in the real world, you cannot create situations, scenarios. All these scenarios are concepts or ideas or imaginations that we are creating. See, in scenario-based English learning, imagination is always important. Am I right?